Hi, we are the development team behind Maderas Pani ERP, a web application for managing a real good trading company in Argentina.
Hi, my name is Marcelo and this is Alejandro. We worked together on the backend and frontend to transform a manual paper-based process into a modern ERP web system. Before this system, information was scattered across notebooks, WhatsApp messages, and spreadsheets.
It was hard to know who owed money, which checks were about to expire, or how many sales the company had in a given month. Decisions were slow and mostly based on intuition. Maderas Pani ERP is a build with a modern stack, Laravel 12 and PHP on the backend, exposing a REST API over MySQL.
On the front end, we use Vue 3 single page application with a dashboard style ambient template.
I focused mainly on backend architecture, business rules, and database model.
And the focus mainly on the front end, UX and integration with the API. Together, we design the overall architecture, requirements, and testing. When as user log in the system applies permission according to the role super admin, administrator, accountant, or operator.
The dashboard shows a quick overview of recent sales, customers with pending balances, and key indicators so the owner and the account can see the business status at a glance. Our master data modules centralize all the core informations. Here we manage customers and suppliers, search by name or tax ID, and keep contact information up to date.
The products models store codes, description, prices, VAT rates and units for each with item, posts, polls, VIMs and more. This becomes the single source of truth for all sales operations. The sales flow starts by selecting a customer and adding products, quantities, and prices.
Then we define how the sale is paid: cash, bank transfer, current account, or deferred checks. This logic is centralized in the backend, so every screen shows consistent information.
¿Cómo no? Each confirmed sale update the customer balance and we needed create movement in the current account in the checks model, keeping the dates and the amounts under control.
The report models allows team to filter sales by date range, customer, or payment method.
This helps the owner and the accountant to understand cash flow, detect late payments, and plan purchases based on real date instead of situation.
In summary, Maderas Pani ERP turns scattered data into a single, consistent system that supports the daily operation of real goods business.
For us, this project was also a chance to price software architecture, database, and web development in the real context, working as the team of two developers.